Hey creators, want to make high converting UGC ads without showing your face or spending a single dollar? In this video, I will show you how to create free high quality UGC style ads using AI tools from script to video. Let's go. UGC stands for user generated content. It's the type of ad where it looks like a real person is reviewing or recommending a product. These ads feel authentic, casual, and perform super well on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Start by picking a product you want to promote. You can use affiliate products from sites like Amazon, Digistore24, ClickBank, or even brand deals. Choose something with clear benefits and lots of reviews. It makes scripting easier. Now let's create the actual ad script. Use a tool like ChatGPT or any word. Just type a prompt like, go to ChatGPT, then sign in with your Google. Just type a prompt like write 30-second UGC ad script promoting skincare serum for women. Then enter. Next, use AI voice tool like 11 Labs, free limited use, TTS Maker, Play HD, HD, or free TTS for natural voices. Choose a voice that sounds good. First of all, log into your 11 Labs account or sign up if you haven't already. Then in dashboard, after logging in 11 Labs, select text to speech, then copy the script from here, then paste here and select voice. Like you would like to use, choose a voice that sounds casual, young, and natural. And add to my voices. If you don't want to film yourself, use free stock video from Pixels, Pixpay, Canva, Freeplan, or generate clips with runway ML. Use lifestyle clips. People applying cream, using a laptop, drinking coffee, whatever matches your products. Now it's time to put the voiceover and video together using free tools like CapCut Web or Canva video editor. Go to canva.com, then select new video, then select choose size like landscape, and download the voiceover from 11 Labs. Click download button and save it on your computer and upload the voice over from your computer and drag it here. And export your video in 180 into 1920 vertical and upload it to platforms like TikTok Reels, YouTube Shorts, etc. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.